Welcome to your community portal. Today we're going to look at how to work on board actions as a board member. Once you log into your portal, you'll see from your dashboard that there are two ways to navigate to your board actions. On the right side, you'll locate board actions, and here you can see your ARCs, work orders, violations, collections, invoices, and much more. You can also navigate to your board actions on the left-hand side panel. Let's take a look here. Once you click Board Actions, scroll down to Board Task. Here you'll see all the tasks available for you to take action on. To view a task, be sure to click the eye icon located here. From here you will see the requests made by the homeowner. You can see the homeowner's name, their account information, and their property address. Below you'll see the message from the homeowner and an action for you to either approve or decline. If you click Decline, an option to leave a note appears for you to leave a reason why you declined. Click Update and you will see that the request is now removed from your portal. If you need any additional assistance navigating your community's portal, please visit the link provided for more quick training videos or get in touch with us. We're happy to help.